I'm so excited to begin planning my mystery story. But first, I need to plan for a main character. I'm going to use my circle map to help me plan my characters. Oh, I know. Maybe I could have a scary, crazy monster in my story. Or how about a boy detective? Maybe a princess? Oh, maybe a girl with a spy purse. Or maybe even a ghost. What about a talking cat? That might be cool. Well, I have lots of fun ideas, but I can't have all of these characters in my story. I need to pick a main character that is going to be the one I use in my mystery story. I think I'm going to X out the crazy monster. That might get a little too wild. Don't really want a princess in my story because I don't want it to be a fairy tale. I want it to be a mystery where something has to get solved. I think the boy detective would probably be a really good character for this type of story that I want to plan. When you're planning for your mystery story, remember, come up with as many cool characters as you can think of, but you got to narrow it down to one that you want to use for your story. So for my story, I'm going to use a boy detective.